iQOO over the years has carved a niche for itself in the smartphone market and has various mid-range phones that promise the best performance at a relatively affordable price point. And the iQOO Z9s Pro also falls under this category. At GadInsider, we've been using the iQOO Z9s Pro for over a month, and after our testing, we can confidently say that this is the smartphone that can give you good performance for under 25,000 rupees. The iQOO Z9 Pro's price starts at 24,999 rupees for the 8GB RAM and 128GB storage model. The 8GB RAM variant with 256GB storage is priced at 26,999 rupees, while the top-end model with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage comes in at 28,999 rupees. For our testing, we use the top-end model in white color, so should you go ahead and buy the iQOO Z9s Pro? Let's find out. The iQOO Z9s Pro sports a sleek, contemporary design offering a lightweight and comfortable grip. The phone offers a sturdy, glossy back panel with a marble feel to it, which is visible when the lights are on. The phone, at a glance, looks quite stylish and will stand out in a crowd. I personally am not a fan of prints, but the marble feel on the iQOO Z9s Pro looks quite elegant and not at all overdone. Then there's the familiar square camera module and the iQOO branding. The camera module is surrounded by a metallic finish border which elevates the whole look. At the bottom is the USB Type-C charging port and SIM tray. The right edge houses the power and volume buttons that are quite easy to get to while holding the phone in one hand. The left edge is left completely free. The edges also sport a silver metallic finish and are worth noticing. The phone comes with a curved display which further enhances its look. During our usage, we didn't see any fingerprints on the back panel, which is a huge plus. The front, however, did form smudges and gathered dust quickly. Due to its curved display, rounded edges, and glossy back, the phone's comfortable to hold with just one hand. However, it can also easily slide from your hand if you aren't paying attention. Hence, it's best to always use it with a cover that comes packed with the phone. The phone's display is a 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vivid colors, ideal for multimedia and gaming enthusiasts. This high refresh rate is excellent for gaming and general use, delivering a seamless experience. The phone can be used comfortably outdoors too, but a tad more brightness would have been even better. Equipped with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor and up to 12GB of RAM, the Z9s Pro is a powerhouse in terms of performance. Everyday tasks and multitasking feel incredibly smooth, while gaming performance is also impressive. The phone can easily handle titles like Battlegrounds Mobile India and Call of Duty Mobile at high settings without a hitch. The cooling system helps prevent overheating during prolonged sessions, making it a reliable choice for gamers. The phone also includes virtual RAM expansion, giving it an edge in handling demanding applications. Talking about the software, even though the phone offers a clean experience with customizable themes and settings, it does come with pre-installed apps, which may be a slight drawback for those who prefer a streamlined interface. The good news is that most of these can be uninstalled, and the UI is generally responsive with minimal lag. The Z9s Pro comes with a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens in the back. The phone also sports a 16-megapixel selfie camera. Overall, the camera performs well in good lighting conditions. Nighttime photography, too, is decent for the price. In daylight, the primary camera captures crisp details and vibrant colors. The front camera, too, performs well and captures your selfies in style. However, the edge detection might feel tad off at times, but this isn't a deal breaker considering the price of the smartphone. The portrait shots from the rear camera are simply stunning. We also use the master black and white mode and the vintage film mode and love the results. While the phone captures impressive detail and colors, the details start fizzling out when you zoom in. Even at 2x, the details start going a bit amiss, and by 10x, the performance drop in camera is quite noticeable. But this isn't a big concern. At night too, the phone can capture some decent shots for its price point. With a 5,500 mAh battery, the iQOO Z9s Pro easily lasts a full day of moderate usage. For heavy users, 80-watt fast charging comes in handy, taking the battery from 0 to around 50% in just 20 minutes. This quick top-up time is a big plus for those who are always on the go. The phone also comes with a charger in the box, so you don't have to buy one separately. In conclusion, the iQOO Z9s Pro stands out in the mid-range segment with its powerful processor, smooth display, and decent camera setup. However, minor improvements in low-light camera performance and UI polish could enhance it further. For users focused on performance and gaming, this phone delivers robust value, and it's a worthy option in its price bracket.